Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. It's the time of the year again. I want to show you guys how to maintain and winterize your pressure washer. I'm not sure how many hours I put in my pressure washer, but the easiest way to determine if you need an oil change is by its color. If it's brown or if you feel it's too dark, it's time for an oil change, or you can change every season. Same thing with the air filter, I don't keep track of the hours. I do a quick inspection. If it's too dirty, I change it, or I change every season. This is Seafoam Motor Treatment. It's a fuel and oil additive that helps to clean and lubricate your entire fuel system. That can help your pressure washer last longer. I'm going to eyeball 1 ounce. 1 ounce covers up to 1 gallon of fuel, and it's okay if you pour a little more. Now the next steps is for storing or winterizing your pressure washer. After the engine is running, you want to turn the fuel valve off to make sure all the fuel burns up inside. Eventually the motor will stop. Now we can reset and turn off everything. This is a pump guard or pump saver antifreeze lubricant that helps protect piston and seals from damage during storage. You attach this to the water hose inlet. Now we must remove the pressure washer hose. Now we can inject the lubricant until it comes out on the other end. Now not only your pressure washer is ready for storage, it's also winterized.